Welcome to another episode of Zach's Kitchen. Today we'll be making stuffing, so let's get to it. The ingredients we have are 1 onion, stock, stuffing, ginger root, and garlic. Here's the secret. Simmer diced onion, ginger root, and fresh garlic in stock for about 2 hours. Strain the stock. Follow your stuffing package instructions. Mine says to boil the stock, then add the stuffing. You can add whatever you want to: onions, celery, sausage, whatever you add to your stuffing. Thanks for watching. If you are watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notifications bell for new videos. But if you were watching this on my Facebook page, make sure to comment down what we should make next and leave a like. Bye!